Okay, so we have here this third problem. Okay, so let's try to read this problem. Okay, so Kendrick one day hopes to build a foldable solar panel in his hometown and help lessen the energy crisis that they always encounter. So to do so, he plans to build a paper-like rhombus. Okay, rhombus-shaped solar panel. So this is the solar panel that Kendrick's trying to build. It looks really thin on this picture. So there you go. So that will be a good invention. Okay, it's illustrated below. An angle H measures 120 degrees. So if one side of the rhombus is equal to 10 inches, okay, so we have here the measurement of MS is equal to 10 inches. So what is the length of the longer diagonal? So in a rhombus, okay, we have different lengths for our diagonals. So how are we going to solve this problem? Okay, so this is the solution. So in a rhombus, since this is a rhombus, we know that the central angles should be all equal to 90. That's one of the properties of a rhombus. Okay, the central angle should always be equal to 90. And also we know that another property, what's another property of a rhombus? The diagonal, it bisects the opposite angles. So therefore, if this is 120, this should also be 120. So therefore, this is 60, and this is 60, and this is 60, and this is 60. And since we have a triangle here, so therefore, we're left with 30 here. Because 30 plus 60 is 90, and 90 plus 90 is 180. The total angle measurement of a triangle. So therefore, this should also be 30. This should also be 30, and therefore, this should also be 30. So therefore, how many special right triangles do we have? We have 4 30, 60, 90 special right triangles. This problem. And therefore, we can use the rule for the 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. Okay, so for this one, if the side measurement is S, then the side measurement opposite to 60 degrees. Okay, so if the side measurement opposite to 30 degrees is S, therefore the side measurement opposite to 60 degrees, it should be S squared 3. And the side measurement opposite to 90 degrees, it should be equal to 2S. Okay, so for this problem, if we have here the measurement of this angle is 10, okay, and we know that that's the hypotenuse since it's opposite of 90 degrees. So therefore, 2S is equal to 10, and to get the value of S, we just divide both sides by 2, and therefore the side measurement, it's just equal to 5. Okay, so therefore, for this problem, since this angle is opposite this side, that means this is 5, and therefore this is 5 as well. But what's the question? It's asking for the length of the longer diagonal. So how have we found the longer diagonal? We haven't found yet the length of the diagonal of this one, US. So shall we try to find the diagonal for US? So for this one, for US, the opposite angle of, let's say this is point X. Okay, let's say this is point X at the center. The opposite angle of UX of this segment is 60. So therefore, if S is equal to 5 and 60 has an opposite side, then measures S squared of 3. So this is 5 squared of 3. And of course, this is going to be 5 squared of 3 as well. And since therefore, 5 squared of 3 is longer than 5 cm, it's longer than 5 cm. So therefore, the longer diagonals measurement, measurement is going to be equal to 2 times 5 squared of 3. And that's just going to give us 10 square root of 3 inches. Okay, so therefore, what's the length? What's the length of the longer diagonals? The length of the longer diagonals. Okay, what's the length of the longer diagonal? So that's gonna be 10 square root of 3 inches, and therefore we have solved this problem.